All brominated solvents need to contain stabilizers for precision cleaning to maintain an acid-free environment in your vapor degreaser. The proper level of stabilizers for solvent balance will prevent damage to your parts and cleaning systems. The BromoTest Acid Acceptance Kit is designed to monitor the acidity of bromothane solvent in your vapor degreaser. This weekly chemical test is simple to perform and will measure whether you need to replenish any stabilizer that has been consumed by the vapor degreasing process. Prevent damage and save money by using BromoBooster Stabilizer Additive. It will protect your cleaning system and prevent expensive replacement of cleaning fluids. Watch this demo to see the simple weekly testing method provided in the BromoTest Acid Acceptance Kit.
Hi, my name is Brian King. I'm the Director of Manufacturing here at MicroCare. I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Bromothane Acid Acceptance Kit. Taking your sample, it's imperative on the pipette that we've included, the third hash mark is the 1.5 milliliter hash mark. You want to pull a sample past that 1.5 mark, drop solvent out of it until the meniscus reaches that 1.5 hash mark, and drop the remaining solvent into the test vial. At that point you want to take solution A, that's the yellow solution. You want to dispense in enough solution that it reaches the 3.5 mark on the test vial, and that's again where the meniscus reaches, the bottom of the meniscus reaches the 3.5 hash mark. At that point you want to close the vial, shake it a few times, and let it sit. Now this is the key part of the test procedure. You have to let it sit for 10 minutes. You can't go 9 minutes. You must sit for 10 minutes at a minimum. You can let it sit for a few more minutes after that, but you don't also want to go too far and let it sit for 30 minutes. After 10 minutes, we will add solution B. We'll do that drop by drop, and that'll determine what our acid concentration is, or if we need to add stabilizers. Okay, now that our vial's been sitting here for 10 minutes, we're going to now add solution B. We're going to count the number of drops to determine if we have a situation where we need to add stabilizer. At this point, open the vial up. Solution B. We're going to do full drops one by one into the vial and shake the vial. Count those drops. We're at 1. 12 drops. We had a change to complete blue. If you look on the back of your instructions, for Bromothane S, anything less than 15 drops is considered normal. You don't need to do anything. After that, there's a range. Once you hit 20 drops, 30 drops, 35 drops, there's a factor given. You multiply that factor times the amount of gallons in your vapor degreaser. That determines how much stabilizer you should add. Anything over 40 drops, we recommend replacement of solvent.
The MicroCare Critical Cleaning Lab is continually working on new solutions to safely improve your costs per clean. Visit microcareprecisioncleaners.com to discover perfectly clean.